Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Bernstein, and today we're going to be going over different types of triangles using this app called GeoGebra. So, there are lots of different kinds of triangles. We're going to start with an equilateral triangle. And you know this is an equilateral triangle because it has three equal sides and also three equal angles. Now, you know what the sides are because of the different lines, but an angle is the space between two separate lines. So for example, this angle right here, over by point A, is 60 degrees. And that angle is the space between this part of the line here and this part of the line here. Alright, but yes, you know this is an equilateral triangle because of the three equal sides and the three equal angles. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to move point C to see some other different types of triangles. So we've seen an equilateral, and now we'll do a scaling triangle. A scaling triangle is when none of the sides are equal. So as you can see, this side here, it's still equivalent to 5. This side here is equal to 5.6, and this side over here is 6.9, all different. And it doesn't matter necessarily what the numbers are, so I could do this way over here and see it's still a scaling triangle because none of the sides are equal. And let's see, this specific triangle is also could be considered obtuse because it has one obtuse angle. Now, obtuse is when an angle is over 90 degrees. He's over 90-degree angle. So see right here, there's our obtuse angle, 108 degrees. And if we move this again, way over here, perfect, right there, we can see a 90-degree angle, which is a 90-degree angle creates a perfect corner, and that's what we call a right angle. Or if you're working with triangles, this could be considered a right triangle. So we've gone over equilateral, which has all the equal sides and equal angles. We have gone over obtuse, which has the angle over 90 degrees. We have a right triangle, which has the right angle. Now, let's see an acute. Yep, there's an acute triangle. An acute triangle would have three acute angles. So an acute angle is any angle that is under 90 degrees. So remember we said our 90 degrees was our perfect little corner right here. See right there. And an acute angle would be any of these angles right here. So this 66-degree angle, this 64-degree angle, that 50-degree angle, etc. Alright. And the last triangle we have to go over is already in place right here, and that is our isosceles triangle. And an isosceles triangle is when two of the sides are already equal. So this side down here is still equivalent to 5, but this side over here, side AC, is equal to 5.9, and the side over here, side CB, is equal to 5.9 as well. So this would be considered an isosceles triangle. So if you guys want to play with this around a little bit, I can give you all the links so you can play around and see all the different kinds of triangles. So see, we have our scaling again, where there are no equal sides, and we have our obtuse angle. And there we have our right angle, right here, just to be clear, which is equal to 90 degrees. And we have our acute angle, which is when a triangle has angles that are under 90 degrees. And we have, it's really hard to get an equilateral triangle on this one, but our equilateral triangle is when all the sides and angles are equal. And our isosceles is when two of the sides are equal. So that completes the lesson I have for you guys today. What you can do next is you can click on the link I've provided for you on Socrative to go and take your little quiz to see what you've learned from this video. I'll see you later and have a good day.